Welcome back, guys. Before we proceed, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, EODigiStore, for more videos on tech tips and DIY, like this one. Today, I want to teach you how to.
Alright guys, today I want to teach you guys how you can split your screen, that is, split the screen of your smartphone so that you can use two apps at the same time. That is, you can be working on TikTok and at the same time you are on WhatsApp. Yes, yes. So it's very easy, it's super easy. All you have to do is open the first app you want to use for the day, for example TikTok. After opening TikTok, then you click and hold down the minimize button on your left on your screen. Some phones has it on their right. So click and hold the minimize button, hold it down, then your screen automatically split in two, enabling you to use TikTok on top and any other app beneath the TikTok or below the TikTok. If you don't want TikTok, you can switch to maybe Messenger, text message, gallery, file manager, whatsoever you feel like working on at that particular time. The goal of this tutorial is simply to teach you how you can split your screen, your smartphone screen, in two so that you can multitask at the same time. Yes, you can't be on TikTok and be stuck while WhatsApp messages are waiting for you piling up. Thank you guys. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. And remember to always come back for more. Thanks, guys. Boom. See you later. Alright, guys. See you later. Boom, guys. Thanks for watching.